You're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about baby food. From 6 months your baby can enjoy this pudding. Yes, you need Irish potatoes, you need carrot and many other things that can follow. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome. Feel free to be a part only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Folks, you need to wash and cut your Irish potatoes. If you can't get Irish, you can go for sweet potato. Add water and you start cooking. Yes, you now cut your carrot in cubes just the same way you did for your carrot. Yes, baby food is very nice. Yes, you cannot limit your baby to only pap. Yes, you can make this because it's easy and accessible. You can use a bigger pot, make a bigger quantity and store in your fridge, not freezer, so that whenever you want it, you scoop quantity that you want, microwave or heat it in your gas, and you add your milk and your baby will enjoy it. So right away we'll add our carrot and we will start cooking. Allow this to cook pretty well. When it's looking soft, you drain out the water. Like I said, if today is your first time of joining, feel free to be a part by liking, subscribing. Yeah, so right away you can see the Irish is about melting because it's really soft right now. You can see the carrot also very soft, so I need to drain out the water and I'll put inside my mixing bowl. Yes, I'll pour everything. First drain out your water and you pour everything. Please, if you have a good blender, you can blend with your blender. Pretty easy, but I have this hand blender. I don't really know what I'm using it for. I'm not using it much, so I decided to use it to mash this. So, and it did a very great job and I enjoyed using this hand blender for this. So if you want to use hand blender, no problem. If you want to use, and again, one good thing about this hand blender, you don't need to add water. Yes, but some blenders, if you pour something like this, you need to add water before it will blend smoothly. So this hand blender allows you not to use water extra. Just take your time and mash it pretty well, and that is it. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So this is very good, especially when your baby is up to 6 months. If you have a toddler or a baby up to 6 months, they can enjoy this beauty. This food is a boom. It can increase your baby weight, it can help in weight increase, and it can also help your baby's nutrients. Yes, building good nutrients. So feel free, don't limit your baby by giving your baby only pap. You can do so many pudding. So if you really love pudding, feel free to be a part of this channel because I'll be sharing so many pudding my baby is enjoying. So right now, when you're okay with the texture, you can stop mashing. You can see how smooth it's looking. It may not look too smooth depending on how you want it. My baby is more than 6 months, so she can enjoy it whether a little lumps or no little lumps. But you can see, I just wanted it to come out at least a bit smooth. But if your baby is more than 6 months, it's not a problem. But some babies are so selective that when they feel lumps in their food, they won't enjoy it anymore. So take your time. Even with this hand blender, it can turn so smooth and come out so pretty well. So you can see I allowed it to come out very smooth. You can see from the hand blender, you can see the texture. You can see it's looking so light and lumpless here. So right away, I'll scoop with a spoon to also show you what it looks like. Look at that. Can you see that? Looking so pretty well right away. So I have to pour it into my storage plate, and I'll remove the one my baby is going to be enjoying now. You can see it came out very smooth. So that's just the good part of hand blender. I don't need to add water. It will give you a good, beautiful puree. So I have to bring out the one my baby will eat. This one is okay for her, so I'll be adding egg yolk. It's optional. If you want to add egg yolk, no problem. If you don't want to add egg yolk, still no problem. Your baby will still enjoy this puree, I promise you that. But today I'm adding egg yolk. I will take my time to melt, or call it melt or mash the egg yolk pretty well. Very well. I'll just take my time to do this. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? If today is your first time of watching my video, feel free to be a part of this lovely channel only by clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and be a part of this lovely channel. Yes, you can be a part of this lovely channel only by subscribing. So I'll take my time to mash this. You can see what I'm doing, just to make sure there is no lumps in my baby food. You can see how smooth it's looking, the puree is looking. So I don't want any lumps in my baby food. Just take your time to do this. When you're sure everything is okay, you can now mix everything together. Yes, just take your time, mix everything when you're sure everything is okay. So I'll just take my time to make sure there is no lumps. Very important. There are a lot of purees your baby can enjoy, like I said. So don't forget to be a part of this lovely channel, because I'll be sharing many. So I'll add my baby follow-up milk. This is normal baby formula. This from 6 months baby to 1 year. So I'll add it at least 3 spoons or 2, depending on what you do add for your baby, because the food is looking too thick. So I'll be adding a little water at this time. Take my time to mix it so that my baby can enjoy it pretty well. Have you liked my video? Tell me why your baby will not add weight after taking this lovely puree. So if you have been leaving out some carrots in your fridge, Irish potato in the house, it's time to turn it to good puree for your toddlers. So far your baby is up to 6 months, they can take this. Thanks for watching. Bye.